Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a extremely exciting video because I am filming the world's smallest setting spray. You heard that right, the world's smallest setting spray. I found this setting spray at the dollar store and it is tiny compared to my other ones. So I'm gonna show you guys how tiny this little thing is. Ready? This is the setting spray. Freaking tiny. I'm telling you. Look how, like, this is the size of my finger tiny. Like, it's hilariously so tiny. So this is one of my regular setting sprays that I have. So this one has 0.22 fluid ounce, and a regular setting spray, something like this, is 1.52 fluid ounce. Supposedly this is set your makeup on the go, perfect for travel, and it is a clear setting spray. It says it helps extend makeup wear. So we are going to test that out to see whether the Dollar Tree actually gave me a good setting spray or they just gave me water in a bottle. So I'm gonna do a whole glam video, set my entire look with that, and then come back ever so often and do like a wear test to see how well it actually helps extend set my makeup and see if I run out in like 2 to 3 sprays, because the nozzle looks so tiny. I feel like it's only gonna sprit like half of my face. But I've already done my base. If you guys can't tell, I've done my foundation, my eyebrows, and my concealer, and I've set all of that down. So I'm gonna go in with my eyes and just do a nice full glam look so that we can really see this full effect on this thing. All right, so I'm gonna be using my BH Cosmetics Love in London. So this is one of their new palettes that they recently came out with, and I just love this packaging. I've always wanted to go to London. That's like one of my bucket lists, to go to London, to go to Italy, to go to Paris. Yeah, Europe is my thing. So I want to go over there one day, and so I'm manifesting this into my future. I'm gonna use my Essence. Sorry, she spilled a little. Oh, honey. I'm gonna use my Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. I sounded a little country there, but it's okay. Ride it on a horse, look it with your horse. Go in with the palette. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is called Big Ben, and I'm gonna set this into my crease. I'm gonna tap off the excess and then just blend it into the crease. Ooh, completely forgot. So I'm gonna put some tape on the ends of my eye, which is kind of weird because I already did my foundation, but whatever. Okay, so then I'm just going to build that up by taking shears and then taking that into my crease using the same brush. So then now I'm going to go in with the color Lovely, and I'm going to take my Sigma Blending E25 brush, and I'm going to put this underneath the shade that we just did, just taking it a little bit lower and then putting it into my outer corner. I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to take this color right here called Piccadilly, and it reminds me of that song, how does it go? Woke up in London yesterday, something Piccadilly. I forgot what that song is called. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna look it up right after I'm done with this, because that song was the shit in like the 9th grade. Do you guys know what a Piccadilly is? Because honestly, I don't know. What I think a Piccadilly is like a little tiny flute. Am I wrong? Or am I wrong? I'm gonna take this just in the outer corner and blending it into. Carve out my eye, and using my CoverGirl Gorgeous Set Ready Set Gorgeous concealer, and I'm gonna just take a little brush like this, and I dip the concealer into that brush, and then I carve out my eye. I was about to put this inside my little thingamajig. I'm so stupid. Alright, so I spritzed my little small brush like this, and I'm going to go in with the color Cheeky up here, and I'm going to put this in my inner third of the eye. I'm going to clean my brush off on a makeup wipe that I have here, and I'm going to go in with the color Palace down here. And again, I'm going to spritz my brush, even though I spritzed it the first time. I'm going to spritz again because I did wipe off the color. And I'm going to go in with the color Palace and then just take it on the rest of the eye. I'm gonna go in with some, oh, excuse me. Now I'm gonna go in with some winged eyeliner, and I'm gonna take my next, what's it called, liquid eyeliner to apply, excuse me, that. So then now I'm just gonna do it on this eye. I'm gonna do it on the other eye, and then I'll just be right back. Alright, so I've put on eyeliner and mascara, and then I just applied a little bit of Lovely underneath my lower lash line, and I really like this look. It came out like kind of like a little Gallic the Grove type of thing. So I'm gonna go in with my blush and my bronzer. So I'm gonna use my favorite smelling bronzer, which is the Physicians Formula. This thing, oh my god, I wish I could get this in a perfume. It smells so delicious. This is from Farrah. It's the 50F Big Fluffy Pink Brush. And I'm just gonna go in with my Physicians Formula, which honestly just came all apart. But honestly, I'm still gonna use it. Fucking smells so good. Like, it makes my face smell just as amazing. With my angled blush brush. I forgot where this is from. I think it's from La Creme Shop, if I'm not mistaken. Go ahead and apply this e.l.f. blush. It's called Mellow Mauve. I'm gonna kind of do like a monochromatic look, and I'm gonna go in with this bright shade right here. The fun part, I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to use my Milani lip pencil. This is a Mocha Splash. The Maybelline Darling Nude. For what we're all been waiting for, I'm going to open the packaging. Hopefully something doesn't fuck up. Oh my goodness, it is so tiny. Look at this. So freaking tiny. It's like the size, not even a concealer is bigger than this. Oh my gosh. The concealer is 0.23 fluid ounce. This is just 0.01% smaller than the concealer, but the concealer bottle is bigger than that. Ah! This is the tiniest little thing ever. Look at this, like, oh my gosh, I don't even know how it's... I'm gonna have to do my face in sections because this thing is so tiny. Okay, you guys ready? So I'm gonna start... Is you serious? About time for the climax. Okay, so I'm gonna spritz my face with this now, so... Oh, I have to prep it. Hold on. Hold on, I have to prep this thing. If this thing doesn't work, I'm gonna be so mad. There we go. Okay, ready? This literally just sprayed water at me. Like, there's like not a nice... This, oh my god. This is such a terrible mist. Like, let me just show you. Like, it just sprays straight on. Like, do you see that? I got it all over my mirror. I got it on my mouth. Alright, so I just finished filming this look, which will be the beginning of this video, but I just sprayed this setting spray, and honestly, the mist was fucking terrible. Excuse me. The mist was so terrible. It just sprayed it straight into like one little section. I have to keep spraying, and even then I just literally felt like I was just spraying myself with water. I mean, my face doesn't feel sticky whatsoever. We're just gonna see throughout the day if my foundation stays, if my concealer stays, if my eye look stays, and if my eyebrows. So I'll be checking back with you guys soon. I'm not quite sure what time is it. This guy in the back is gonna get on my nerves. So it's 1:42 right now. So I'll check back in a couple hours, and then I'll give you guys an update of how the look, or how the thingy majiggy set and stuff, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I'll just come back and I'll let you guys know how it's going so far, if I feel greasy, disgusting, and if I need to rub my face off. So yeah, so I'll be back later. All right guys, so different outfit on right now. I'm actually gonna go to the Glendale Mall today because I need to buy some stuff for my coworker for the end of the year, because I mean, I work at a school, so the end of the year is coming in about 2 weeks, so I need to go buy her a present for that. And this other lady who helps us in the morning, I need to buy her a present too. I have an itch in my back. So far it's been, I think, about 2.5 hours, and I think my makeup is looking pretty good. I don't see any I guess any wear in my makeup, like it hasn't moved much. I think it's still good, but again, it's only been like 2.5 hours, so I'll check back in about another 3 hours, and I think that would be my last checkup towards the end of the night, because it's already 4:30 in about 3 more hours. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 7:30 will be my last checkup, and I think that'll be it for the day, because I also need to edit this video. But yeah, I'm just gonna check up one more time throughout the day, and then and I'll let you guys know how it's going so far. So right now my skin feels the same. It feels very, actually I feel like my skin looks very voluminous, not voluminous, but very luminous and very very glowy. I feel like my skin looks very extremely healthy. I don't know if that showcases on the video, but I don't know, my skin just looks very nice and healthy today. So I don't know if it's the foundation or if it's the what's it called, the setting spray. I mean, I have used this foundation but not in a while, so I don't think I guess that's my fault. But yeah, like I said, it's been pretty good. I really like the way my skin looks right now. I feel like I look very nice and presentable. Like, I need to go out and showcase this face to the world. Okay, I need to get out of this car. I'll talk to you guys again in about 3 more hours. All right guys, so I am back with the last check-in. It is about 8 o'clock, so a little over 7:30, so it's about exactly like 3 hours later. As you can tell, my makeup is still on, my foundation is still popping, my concealer, yeah, my concealer is still on, my bronzer and blush is still on. So the primer, I mean, it did work. I mean, my everything is still on, and I never retouched whatsoever. I went out to the mall, so I went out and I did things, and I didn't retouch. So I think the primer was a win. The only thing I'm gonna do is just take out the primer out of that bottle and then put it into a different bottle, because I hate that spray. I'm in the restroom taking my son a shower. So for this setting spray, I think I'm gonna give it a good 9 out of 10. The reason I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10 was because of the bottle, but it did the job. My makeup is still on, still looking flawless as ever. And yeah, I didn't have to retouch. I don't know, I really did like it. I mean, my skin looks very healthy. I don't know, you can have your opinions on the bottom. on the comments down below. But for me, I don't know, I really did like it. So for $1, go to Dollar Tree. This is the ending of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click that notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Charlie Silva. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Mwah.